The diagram shows three identical rectangles A, B, and C. 5 out of 8 of rectangle A is shaded. 9 out of 11 of rectangle C is shaded. Work out the fraction of rectangle B that is shaded. We are given that 5 out of 8 of rectangle A is shaded. The remainder are represented by the white rectangle at the top. For rectangle C, we know that 9 out of 11 are shaded. The remainder are unshaded regions represented by the bottom rectangle. So how are we going to solve this? Despite the fact that we are not given information on rectangle B, however, since all three rectangles are the same, we can use the information that we have received from rectangles A and C. And as you can see, that these are identical to each other. And for the bottom sections, these are also identical to each other. So let's give it a try. We are given that 5 out of 8 of rectangle A is shaded. Therefore, the unshaded region will be 3 out of 8. Why? Because the fractions add up to 1, which will do 1 minus 5 out of 8 equals 3 out of 8. Rectangle C, 9 out of 11 are shaded. Therefore, 2 out of 11 are unshaded regions, because we subtract 1 with 9 out of 11 to give us 2 out of 11. As mentioned earlier, we know that if this is 3 out of 8, this is also 3 out of 8 because these are identical rectangles. Likewise, if this is 2 out of 11, this unshaded region will also be equal to 2 out of 11. Now let's extract all these information together and work out the total unshaded regions. So how are we going to do this? So what we need to do is to do 3 out of 8 plus 2 out of 11. The whole purpose is to make sure that the denominators are the same. So we need to multiply the denominators together, which will be 88. The best trick will be to do cross multiplication. 3 times 11 plus 8 times 2 over 8 times 11. So 3 times 11 equals 33 plus 2 times 8, which is 16. And then 8 times 11 equals 88. Now all we need to do is just add them together. 33 plus 16 will be 49 out of 88. That's our unshaded region. To work out the shaded region, we need to subtract 49 out of 88 from 1. Again, total fractions add up to 1. Now we have 1 minus 49 out of 88. Notice that this isn't a fraction. The best trick I would like to show you is to rewrite this as 88 over 88. Why? Because we want the denominators to be the same, and so that we can easily calculate and subtract them from each other. Therefore, 88 out of 88 minus 49 out of 88. Therefore, 39 out of 88 represents the shaded region in rectangle B.